Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about conditional formatting. So first of all, one thing I want to mention that conditional formatting just works on numbers. So and also it's located under the home ribbon. It's located here. So we have different options here, and I click on this. You can see I have different kind of options here. I have icons, colors, data, some specific rules, and also some specific rules are here. So I want to apply from each of these just one, and also we can create some rules ourselves. So, and if we want to apply conditional formatting, first of all we should to select that area or that column. So I'm going to select this column and I come here and I start from here, from color. And here we can apply different kind of colors, and you can see it adjusts itself. It depends numbers, and you can see different kind of formatting. You can see now this one is the highest and this one is the lowest. So for the second row, second column, I select this and I come here. I add some data. From data, it's like chart, somehow like bar chart. So when I come here, we have different kind of different colors. So I just select this one. You can see the differences between this one, the highest and the lowest. So next one, column 3, I select the column and I come here. You can see here are some rules, and when I come here we have different rules here. We have top 10 items, top 10 in percentage, and I choose this one, about average. I select one, I click on this. You can see, and also from here we can customize the color. When I come here, there are some options here and also custom format. I just can go from here and make my own color. I just click on this. You can see I have the font here. It's the font, and also from here I can I choose another color. I choose this one, and okay, you can see the color has changed. Okay, so the next one I select this column and I come to conditional formatting. Now highlight cells rules. You know that here I can like greater than a specific number, less than a specific, between, and I can come here, I choose between. You can see I have here between around 8,000 to 23,000. So I can write myself here. I can write here like 2023, and from here also we can do the same thing we did with the previous column, but I want be as a default, and okay, you can see between 2000 and 23,000. So, and also I want to apply here some icons. I select the column and I come here, conditional formatting. From here we have different kind of icons, and we can choose. You can see here different kind of, and somehow I want to add some kind of chart, column chart. You can see it's 52,000 is full, and for 12,000 it's just little tiny here. So this one, the last one for the commission, I want to apply a new rule here myself. I just come here to conditional formatting, and from here new rule. So from here we have different kind of options, and also from here one thing I want to say that we can find the duplicate, and also I want to find some values. Format only top or bottom ranked values. I want to choose this one. You can see I have here top 10. I want to make it top 5, and I want to go to formatting and choose the color. I want to choose this color. Okay, and okay, you can see it has highlighted the top 5 cells. And also one thing I don't want to forget, that as I said that we can't apply conditional formatting on text, but somehow we can if we have some duplicate text. For example, I select this one and I come here, I click on new roles and I come here. I want to find the duplicates. Format only cells that contain format only duplicate values. Click on this, I come here and choose color, this one, and okay, and okay. You can see I have these 2 duplicates here. So now if I want to remove a certain format, I just click on one of these. I just come to conditional formatting. From here we have clear rules. From here we can clear just the cell. I select it, you can see, and also we can just clear the entire formatting from the entire sheet. I just click on this. Yep, it works just fine. So I just want to apply conditional formatting on my total, and that's enough for me. I just come here to icons and I choose this one. Yeah, it looks a way better. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.